The Shake Shack has been operating since 1946, but it started out as a juice stand. Throughout the years, it has changed owners, and in May 2006, Shake Shack was brought to Ruby's Restaurant Group. The Shake Shack is on California State Park land near the Crystal Cove cottages, but has since been remodeled, so it isn't included in the historic district.
You're going to want to stay tuned for this one as we uncover some of the coast's hidden treasures. Yeah, a pirate tower on the beach.
Today we are in Corona Del Mar, California at a busy little place with a beachside view. It's where the visitors and the locals come for a nostalgic menu. We are at the Shake Shack.
The Shake Shack is located on 7703 East Pacific Coast Highway in Corona Del Mar, just south of Newport Beach. Be prepared to wait a little bit for parking because, well, there are only a few spots. The wait is definitely worth it when you consider this gorgeous beach view. The menu is simple and they even offer breakfast, but their claim to fame is definitely the shakes made from a secret ingredient.
So first we're gonna try this date shake because she's a Melton. I've never had dates before. Tony judges me because I've never had dates before. I always think they're like prunes, so I don't eat
They're
them.
better than prunes, come on.
Okay, so I'm gonna try it. That's interesting. It's almost kind of chocolatey, but it's not. It's a fruit. I don't know. It's sweet. It's good. It's very good. There's little bitty pieces of like dates in it, so you can tell that they use actual dates when they're blending it up. It's pretty delicious. I like it. So we got the Cove beef burger. They have a beef, they have a turkey, they have an impossible, is what I saw on the menu. Looks like it's got 2 patties. I believe it's on they put it on a griddle. Let's see. There's like a peppery or something on there. Not too much. Very, very good. Lots of cheese, tomato, lettuce in there. The bun's got a little bit of a crisp to it.
Once you're done munching on burgers and shakes, make your way down the steps that are located just right of the restaurant to take a tour of the Crystal Cove cottages. The Shake Shack serves a mini version of the Ruby's Diner menu and is currently famous for its date shakes, made fresh daily. So what exactly is a date? Dates grow on trees, on great big trees called date palms. They're native to the Middle East and have been a part of the region's cuisine for thousands of years. Dates grow like bunches of grapes, which hang higher than 50 feet off the ground. Isn't it nice that we could just buy them from the store without having to climb up there and grab them? Life's nice that way. So, what do dates taste like? Well, they're sweet, very sweet. They're kind of like a bigger, jammier raisin. They're so good that, in fact, I used to buy them from a snack pack they made at a local market that has cheese, grapes, strawberries, and dates. But when I saw the calorie content was over 750 for this little box, I stopped getting them. So needless to say, the sugar content in dates is extremely high, and the sugar gets more and more intense as the dates dry and the moisture level leaves the fruit. But dates aren't dried or dehydrated completely, even though the raisin-like appearance might lead you to believe so. They can be eaten anywhere from fresh to partially dehydrated. Date sugar, which is derived from dates, is actually used as a natural sweetener in trendy smoothie shops and healthy bakeries.
Now that we've had some lunch, we are going to hop in the car and travel south for about 6 miles to a place we've always wanted to see.
Hi guys, we're in Laguna Beach, California, home of a hidden treasure, the Pirate Tower. All right, let's get a few things straight. Number one, there's no parking at this place. No, that must explain why we're standing on the side of the street. Yeah, you're gonna have to park on the side of PCH, Pacific Coast Highway. So go ahead and put these directions into your GPS. 2717 South Coast Highway. All right, number two, it's a little bit of a hike to get there, but it's not bad. Just put your walking shoes on and let's go. All right, so walking to Pirate Tower is actually pretty cool. You get to walk along this nice little road here and admire the cool houses, the expensive houses, might I add. Anyways, one of the reasons this is a hidden place is because, well, it's the difference between high tide and low tide. Yeah, high tide, bring your snorkel gear. Low tide, walk right through. I'm gonna put a link in the description to tell you the difference between high tide and low tide, and I will tell you, you better do it. Okay, here we go. Once you make your way down the steps, you're going to want to immediately go to your right. Don't get lost in Victoria Beach to your left. Trust us, you'll have time for that later. If it's low tide, you're not going to want to waste a single second. You'll see later what happens when high tide hits.
So rumor has it during low tide there are some pretty awesome tide pools to check out here too. Obviously we missed that window.
Nowhere is the town's pirate mystique so potent as on Victoria Beach. There, battered by the unending cycles of tide, stands a lonely stone turret affectionately called the Pirate Tower by locals. The tower is 60 feet tall and seems to have been birthed directly from sandstone cliffs that surround it. For residents and visitors alike, the sight of the structure and its small, unevenly shaped windows launches visions of retired pirates keeping their weather eyes peeled for the sight of the Jolly Roger on the horizon. Now, do you remember what I said about high tide? Yeah, you're gonna have to keep your eye on your watch and on the water, or you're gonna have to swim back. For reals. Don't get trapped. That'll suck. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this adventure. If you are enjoying our content, please subscribe and share one of our videos on your favorite social media platforms. By subscribing to our channel, you help us bring more episodes in the future. Go ahead and tell us in the comments where you would like to see us next. Yeah, we'll read them. As always, links in the description for more information, and until next time, bye-bye! Hey, don't forget to check out some of our other episodes, like this one.